Hey guys, this is my Baikal Makarov MP-654K. This is one of the original CO2 Makarovs, which is pretty much made out of 80% or over 80% original gun parts. I love this gun, so just for the sole fact that it's pretty much made from a real gun. It's just been converted into a gas gun. It's a lovely gun to fire. It's not the most accurate gun, but it is very good fun. I think this is the first gas gun I ever bought, and this will be staying in my collection forever. So yeah, this is the magazine. Pellets, BBs, sorry, it's only takes steel BBs or lead BBs, depending on what you want, 4.5mm. You just put the gas in here, so it all houses it into the magazine. Pop that in like so. Just let me show you.
Oh, come on, you fucking idiot.
Well, you can strip this gun down, completely strip it like the original, so you pull that down there. There you go, the slide. If you were to go online and check the schematics of a real Makarov, you'll see they're pretty much identical to this gun.
New York. Yeah.
Believe me when I say this is very, very, very similar to the original design. It's ridiculous how close it is. There's a few things on here that they've had to obviously put in for the sake of making it a 4.5mm gas gun. This little port here, that's not an original part. That's been added in to get the magazine to line up with the barrel. Basically, it's completely authentic. This gun, I love this gun. When you first get it, it comes in a box wrapped in brown paper, true Russian style. It also comes with this rod for cleaning, I think. Good for unjamming pellets though, that's one thing I have used it for. I haven't actually cleaned my gun properly, to be honest, since I first got it, but it comes with a set of replacement seals, which most guns don't come with, so pretty cool. It comes with a tool, and also comes with a manual, which is in Russian and English. As you can see.
Right?
Yeah, so yeah. Thank you much. Let's put this button down there. Put this gun back together.
No way, no, blends in that box.
Very simple gun. Make sure the slides, the hammer's cocked back, otherwise the slide won't go back on. And that's down, back. Sorted. Very easy to unjam these guns, very easy to maintain, good for what they do. Obviously still a gas gun, not a rifle, so you won't get much power out of it, but good fun.
That's 2 spins to Magnum.
Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the videos. Cheers, thanks, bye.